Let's talk about a truth most operators are too busy to admit. They're drowning in tasks that should be automated. It's not for lack of intelligence or effort. It's because they're holding too much in their heads that should live in systems. Today, we're diving into how AI and automation can transform this chaos into clarity, but only if you understand them as infrastructure, not just shiny tools. Imagine your business as a complex machine. Each cog represents a process, a task, a decision point. AI isn't a new cog to add, it's the oil that keeps the entire machine running smoothly. Yet many businesses misuse AI, treating it as a magic button rather than the backbone of their operations. This isn't about convenience, it's about leverage. Automation should free your team to focus on strategic tasks, not just lighten the load. Consider email automation. Tools like SalesMate Sandy are designed to manage inquiries, follow ups, and scheduling. They promise to free up your sales reps for closing deals. But here's where most get it wrong. They see automation as a way to do the same things faster rather than an opportunity to rethink what should be done at all. If your system is flawed, automating it only makes the flaws happen faster. Think of AI as decision architecture. It's not about replacing humans, it's about structuring decisions so humans can focus on what truly requires their expertise. In practice, this means designing systems that remove human dependency for routine tasks. But here's the catch. These systems need to be robust enough to handle pressure. When automation fails, it's often because the system wasn't built to withstand real-world complexity. Let's get real about failure modes. Most operators don't plan for them. They assume automation will just work. But when systems break, and they will, it's usually because they weren't integrated properly. The sequence matters. You can't just plug in AI and expect miracles. You need to understand how each piece interacts with the others and anticipate where things might go wrong. Here's a concrete example. A company automates its customer support with chatbots. Initially, it seems like a success, fewer calls, quicker responses, but then a surge in complex queries overwhelms the system. The chatbot can't handle the nuances, and the team isn't prepared to step in. This isn't just a tech failure, it's a systems failure. The integration was too shallow, the planning too optimistic. Operators need to shift their mindset. Stop seeing AI as a tool and start seeing it as infrastructure. This means thinking about implementation, sequencing, and failure points from the start. It's about building systems that don't just survive under pressure, but thrive. So, what breaks if you ignore this for another year? Decision fatigue, mental load, and operational inefficiencies will continue to sap your team's energy. You'll be stuck in reactive mode, constantly firefighting instead of strategizing. Automation isn't just about doing things faster, it's about doing the right things the right way. In conclusion, AI and automation can transform your business, but only if you approach them with the right mindset. Treat them as integral parts of your system, not just add ons. Understand their role in decision making, anticipate failure modes, and integrate them deeply into your operations. This isn't about chasing trends, it's about building a resilient business that can weather any storm.